Hi guys, in this short video, we are going to see how you can integrate CyberArk Secret Hub with Hashicorp Vault. So it is a step-by-step demonstration. So what I have done in advance. So I have created two instances. So one is for connector server. So this is what my connector server instance is. So we are using a Windows instance. And then I have created another instance. So this instance where we will be installing HashiCorp Vault again from the scratch. So let's get started. So as a first step, what we will do, so I'm going to go to my administration page and we are going to install the connector management. So I'm going to go to the my environment. We're going to go to the connector management. Let's create a connector pool first. So here we are going to create a pool. We will say Secrethub Raj demo. I'm going to say add a network with the same pool name. We'll hit on save and continue. So when installing a connector, we will be using the same connector pool. So I'm going to go to the connectors. So you have to choose a system connector. Click on add a connector. So I'm gonna choose my pool, Secrethub Raj. Demonstration here for the installation location, everything I'm keeping as default as it is, but you can choose a custom location as well. So here, it will provide us a script. So what you have to do, you have to connect to your Windows server. I already connected. So I'm gonna open in PowerShell. So let me open in PowerShell as the administrator. So looks okay. So let me copy a script. So we are going to go to our connector server machine. So I'm going to paste my script. Let me copy it again. Takes a bit of time. Come on. I don't know why facing an issue. Let me try it one more time. Yep, it worked. Let's press enter. So it takes a couple of seconds. It is verifying a digital signature. Okay, looks like installation is complete. Let's go back to CyberArk Identity Security Portal. I'm going to click on close. So we are going to go to our system connectors. Let me refresh it. So here we should be able to see our secret hub connector. I think this is what uh, what's our connector? Let me go to the connector pools again. So this is what my pool name was. Secrethub Raj. Demonstration, there is one system connector. Uh, So this is the connector got installed. So it is tied to the Secrethub Raj demonstration. So here it got installed 1 minute back. So it looks like our connector installation has gone through. So this particular process has been completed. So now what we will do, we'll go back to our Linux instance. So this is what my Linux instance is. So here we will be connecting to the Linux instance. So currently I'm connecting to this Linux instance simply with a AWS Session Manager service. I'll go to the bash cd. So what I did just to just to prep my VM. So I created two of these files. So let me show you the server.config file, what I created. So this particular file I created to generate a self-signed certificate. So here, if I show you my VM IP address, so it's 10.03.76. So using a server.config file, let's generate a certificate. So let me copy a command. Then we are gonna go and generate a certificate. So my certificate and my server key has been generated. So as a next step, what we will do, we will install the Vault binary. So you can find all this configuration on the Google, or you can go to your Gen AI tool of your choice. In my case, I'm using Gemini, but you can use any other tool. Good, it's already installed. Let's unzip. So we're going to move it to the user local bin. Then we're going to make sure it is executable. So let's check. Okay, it looks okay. Let's check whether everything has been installed. So everything has been installed successfully. As a next step, so we are going to install the Vault. So here, what I did, if I open my config.htcl, so this is what my simple config.htcl file is. So here is the path. So where the Vault data is going to get stored. So this is the directory I created, Vault minus data. It is listening on the 8200, and we will be using the same certificates. So what we created, server.cert and server.key. So I'm going to run Vault in the background mode. So let me run this command. No hop, Vault server. It looks like it got created. So now we are going to initialize the Vault. Okay, so looks like we got an error. So what we have to use, we have to provide a vault address, as well as we have to provide a certificate as well, just to set up a connection. So let's do the export vault address. Let's do the certificate as well. So once it is done, let's try running our vault operator init command again. So looks like it has run successfully. So now we are going to unseal the vault. So let me copy my command. So to unseal it, you have to run the same command with the unseal key 3 different times. So it's done. So looks like vault has been unsealed successfully. So as a next step, what we will do, we will connect to the vault using the token. So this is our initial root token. I'm going to use this token to connect to the vault. So I'm going to run a command vault login. Login. So then I'm going to paste my token. So it has been done successfully. If I go to the CyberArk Secret Hub documentation, one of the things we say that, hey, from CyberArk standpoint, we support KV2. So we are going to enable the Vault Secret version 2 service. So what we will do, we'll go back to our terminal. Let me clear this, and then we will enable a KV2 as well. I'm going to say Vault secrets enable minus path equal to secret KV version 2. Okay, it has been enabled successfully. So after that, what we are going to do, we are going to create some sample secret. So I'm just copying my command. So we're going to create our first secret. It's a super secure secret, and let's try to run a get command. So looks like it has been executed successfully. So this is what we have to do on the vault. So another thing, what we have to do, if we go to the CyberArk Secret Hub onboarding page, so we have to provide some permissions to access a Hashicorp vault as well. So these are the few things what we are going to provide. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna use Terraform. So I'm gonna use the bash script. So that's how we're gonna move forward. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this entire script. We'll go back. So I'm gonna just name it Secrethub Access Hashi Vault. So I'm gonna paste my entire script here. So once it is done, so then we are going to run this script. So here, let's run this script. Okay, so we have to provide a vault token variable as well. So let me go to my so we are going to provide a vault token. Let me find out a command. So this is what my command is. And let me paste my actual token. This is what my actual token is. Let's try to run same command again. Okay, here it is talking about the role name. So you can define whatever you want. In my case, I'm just gonna name it as Secrethub Raj demo. You can name whatever you want. So in the JWT path, so I think you have to just name as JWT, enter the engine mount path. So we are going to name it as a secret because that's what we enabled it. And then for the enter the OIDC discovery URL. So what you have to do, go to the CyberArk Identity Security Portal, go to the CyberArk Secret Hub. You should have administrator permissions. Click on the settings. So here I'm gonna go to the secret store authentication method. We are gonna go to the Hashicorp. So this is what your OIDC URL is. So I'm just gonna copy, gonna go back, we'll paste here. So looks like this script has been run successfully. As long as you don't see any error, it means everything is being done here. So we have completed most of the settings on the vault side. Uh, so let me copy these names, what I configured, so that we will have to configure some of these settings on the CyberArk Secret Hub page as well. Uh, Let me copy this one as well. So beyond that, what we are going to do, we are going to go to our window VM and let me try accessing our vault address. So I'm going to say HTTPS 10.0.3.76 8200. So here, because of this certificate, it is a self-signed certificate. We got an error. So what we will do, we'll add this certificate in this VM's cert store so that we don't see this error. So what I do, I'll click on this. So we're going to click on this certificate. I'm simply going to export the certificate. Let me keep it in the download folder. I'm going to save. After that, we're going to go to the cert LM. So let's open the certificate on the local computer. So here we are going to go to the Trusted Root Certificate Authority. So this is what it is. We're going to click on the certificates and then we are going to click on all tasks import. Click on next. So we're going to go to the download folder. Next. Finish. So looks like the cert import was successful. Let me copy this and open another one. Okay, we don't see any error. It means we are good for now. So what we will do, we'll go back to our CyberArk Secret Hub, and then we are going to create a secret store. So you're going to click on Add Secret Store, click on Hashicorp. So here we have to provide a couple of things. So the first thing is our vault address. So in my case, it is 10.0.3.76. 8200 is my port. Mount path is my secret. So you have to provide a role name, whatever you configured. So here authentication path, we are gonna use JWT. So I will click on next. So it takes a couple of seconds. So it was Secret Hub Raj demonstration. I'm gonna choose this, add and scan a secret store. So it is going to go and test the connection. If everything looks okay, so then it will be able to add your secret store. So you see, we are able to add the secret store. So in this case, it went okay. So I'm going to go and click on a sync policy. So then we are going to start syncing the secrets from CyberArk PAM solution. In this case, we are leveraging upon the privilege cloud to the Hashicorp vault. I think before we go to the sync secret, what we are going to do, we are going to go and do the discovery first. I'm going to go to the Hashicorp. It is still scanning. So I'm going to click here. So I'm just going to trigger the scan again. So it's going to take a couple of seconds and then then we should be able to know, hey, so we managed to scan all the secrets sitting in the Hashicorp vault. So that's one of the use case from a visibility standpoint, what CyberArk is providing. Okay, it managed to scan the secret. Scan, let me do it one more time. Okay, scanning has been done successfully. So here you see we managed to discover one of the secret we created. The secret we created, it was web app dot minus config. So this secret is managed directly in the Hashicorp vault. So you will be able to manage this secret in the CyberArk PAM as well. So for this one, what we will do, we'll create a sync policy. So I'm going to say, hey, let's create a sync policy. So here we can use one of the safe. Keeping, uh, I'm just choosing the safe demonstration video Rajneesh. Click next. Here we're going to use Hashicorp. So this is what my secret store was. So I'm going to name this policy as Raj Demo Secrethub Hashicorp. So once I click on done, so within a couple of seconds, so we should be able to see, hey, secrets have started synchronizing. So I'm going to select Hashicorp. So let's go here. So you see, it managed to sync all the secrets. And if I go to the sync, so we have started processing the sync policy. It takes a couple of minutes. So I'll pause this video and then we will come back. It took almost like 1 to 2 minutes. So once I click on this policy name, so you will be able to see all the secrets present in this specific safe. So it got synchronized to Hashika Vault. Click on sync status, so you are able to see all the secrets has been synchronized successfully. So just to verify whether these secrets has been synchronized successfully or not, so what we will do, we'll go to the vault and we are going to list down the secrets as well. So we're going to go to the system manager again. So we are going to run this command, vault kv secret. Okay, that's not secret list. Okay, let me find out the command. So you see, if we run this vault kv list secret, so you can see this web app minus config, and you see all the secrets got stored within this particular path. So what we will do, I'm just gonna copy this entire path and then we will try to list down the secrets. So you see all the secrets has been displayed here. So let me fetch one of the secret. Okay, we get secret. So here we are going to go to the demonstration, video Rajneesh, and then I'm going to provide this secret name. So once you press enter, so you will be able to see, hey, what is the address, what is the password. You will be able to see what CyberArk does. We add these metadata or it tags information as well. So that's how we are able to understand, hey, these secret is managed by CyberArk. So here we saw like all the secrets sitting in your PAM solution. So with the help of the Secret Hub, so we will be able to manage all the secrets, and at any point of a time if you are rotating any kind of a secrets, so within a couple of seconds, so these secrets updated value is going to get synchronized to the Hashicorp vault. So that's pretty much about it in this step by step demonstration around how Cyber can help you uh, to gain a visibility across all the secrets sitting within a Hashicorp vault. Apart from that, how CyberArk Privilege Cloud or a PAM solution can act like a single source of truth, and you will be able to start managing all your secrets centrally. And in the last mile, your application can continue to interact with the HashiCorp vault or any other vault of your own choice. So thanks a lot, everyone, for watching this short step-by-step video.